Java allows us to declare our own constructors. Here is an example: public, my class, and then a parameter. So here, public, the most permissive access modifier that allows other classes to access the constructor and to use it to create new instances of my type. Notice there is no return type specified, even not void. This is very important. If a return type was specified, Java would no longer recognize it as the constructor. It would consider it to be a method. That's something you want to avoid. Now here is the name of my constructor. Notice the uppercase M of my class. The reason my constructor name is Pascal cased is because constructor names always match the class names, and class names are Pascal cased. So are constructor names. Now here at the end you have the parameter list. In this example it includes one single parameter consisting of a type and a name. Just a reminder, parameters are special kinds of variables, and parameter declarations follow the same pattern that we see for all Java variables, which is type, name. Let's have a look at an example. Here I have a constructor, public, circle, and one parameter. The name is R, the type is double, and I use my R to initialize the field radius. It is the job of constructors to initialize the instance. In this case, my constructor had one parameter, but it could also have multiple parameters. For example, in the case of rectangle. Once again, notice no return type. Uppercase R, because the name rectangle from my constructor matches the name rectangle from my class. In this case I have two parameters, int L and int W, and I'm using those two parameters to initialize my two fields, length and width. If no constructor is declared, Java provides a parameterless default constructor, and the default constructor initializes all of the fields with its default value. For a numeric primitive type as well as for a character, the default value is 0. For Boolean, the default value is false. For all reference types, the default value is null.